At sa patuloy naman po nating pagtuklas sa CMLI Annual Convention, naganap din po ang isang broadcasting workshop kung saan nagpakitang gilas ang mga delegates. Yan naman ang tinutukan ni Jules Giang sa Pulso ng Boss.
Isyu ng lipunan aalamin mula mismo sa tinig ng sambayanan. Pulso ng Boss, ngayon ating pakikinggan. Isa sa mga tampok na aktibidad sa CMLI Annual National Convention ay ang mga workshops. At dahil kabahagi na ng PTV4 ang CMLI, isang espesyal na broadcasting workshop ang ating pinangunahan. Tinuruan ng mga delegates kung paano ang tamang pagsasalita, paggawa ng script at maging sa paglikha mismo ng mga balita. Kaya naman tunghayan natin ngayon ang kanilang pagbabalita ukol sa mga naging kaganapan sa Teachers Camp na kanilang pinamagatang The Voice of the Youth.
Good afternoon! We are live here from Teachers Camp, Baguio City.
My name is Kevin Joseph.
And I am Zaina Gail Cortez. I am Ivy Nicolas.
And I am Justin Oviedo. And you are watching
The Voice of the Youth.
Now we're here at the CMLI. It's time to find out what really is the CMLI. To bring us those information, here is Patricia Candaza.
The Children's Museum and Library Incorporated, also known as CMLI, is a non-stop, non-profit organization working to promote the welfare and development of the Filipino youth. Their mission of CMLI is that we should be committed to empower the Filipino youth to become catalysts of relevant change in their school, community, and country through leadership training, values formation, and talent development. One of the goals and objectives is that it provides avenues to discover, develop, and motivate the Filipino youth to further honing their talents, critical thinking, creativity, and leadership skills. This is Patricia Candaza, Voice of the Youth.
The 56th Annual Convention of CMLI is currently held at Teachers Camp, Baguio City and is anchored on the theme, Say Yes! Bolstering passion for excellence by raising standards for global competence to the Filipino youth in action. And with this, workshops are being held to enhance the skills and talents of the delegates of the said convention. Consequently, commission discussions are the heart of the convention. For more details, here's Jessamine Nuevas and Patricia Candaza.
The 56th year of CMLI will mark its history as PTV4 partners with CMLI to telecast the 5-day convention. We have TJ Magdalas to close in all the details.
It was a momentous day here in Teachers Camp, Baguio City, as the 56th Annual Convention of the CMLI, or the Children's Museum and Library Incorporated, was officially opened. The delegates were met with surprise as Mr. Jules Giang, Ambassador for the People's Television, announced the partnership between PTV4 and CMLI. This is TJ Magdalas, Voice of the Youth.
This past few days, the weather here in Baguio has been changing from time to time. So now, let's know our latest weather forecast with Patrick Yanzo and Nico Baladad.
It is expected that we would have a nice weather here in Teachers Camp, Baguio City today. The weather here in Teachers Camp is neither too cold nor too hot, which makes it a very good time to have a stroll. Although the weather is nice, do not forget to bring your umbrellas and jackets to protect you from the downpour that might happen. Now, we proceed to the weather of the metro.
Sa pagiging kabahagi ng PTV4 ang CMLI, tiyak na patuloy tayo makakalikha ng mga susunod na mga mahuhusay na mga broadcasters. Mula mismo sa tinig ng sambayanan dito sa Baguio, para sa Pulso ng Boss, ako si Jules Giang ng Telebisyon ng Bayan. Pero para maiba naman, hayaan natin sila naman ang mag-extra ng ating Pulso ng Boss.
Mula sa Baguio City,
ang City of Pines, para sa Pulso ng Boss.
Kami ang CMLI, para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.